Alright, just to add to my last video, just want to show you, I don't have it plugged into an amp because I don't have an amp here at the warehouse. But if we go this, and we set it down, whoops. Appears that the table continues to turn once it's finished its thing here. So yeah, it's acting kind of strange. So I'm gonna have to sell this as is, in need of, some repair, because it won't let you drop the record down for some reason. Not sure what's up with that. Yeah, it's doing some really strange stuff. So anyway, sold as is for repair. Not sure if this happened in shipping or what. I sold it and it came back, and this is what it was doing. So anyhow, for repair as is.